Hello everyone, TikTok here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this BenQ monitor. This is the EX3501R. This is a behemoth of a monitor and I can't wait to get inside this box. But let's take a look on the outside of the box and see what some of the specs it has printed on the box. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front of it. Down here it is saying an HDR, that it is HDR, USB-C connector. It's UW QHD Ultra Wide 2K. It's 3440 by 1440. The radius for the curve is, where is it? It's a 1800R. And what else does it say? Oh yeah, 100 Hertz refresh rate for this thing. And it does have AMD FreeSync also. So, one other thing, let me just show you how big this thing is, just to give you an idea. Let's take the tape measure. That's 39 inches. That's a little over 3 feet. And then this direction, it is 25.5 inches. Just to give you an idea how big this thing actually is. But anyhow, let me get the camera rearranged and so you guys can get a better perspective of when I unbox it, and I'll be right back. All right, looks like we got a better viewing angle now. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I did already break the tape open just to make it a little easier. I'm sure you didn't want to see that in the recording anyways. So let's see what is inside here. Holy smokes. Yeah, this thing is big. All right, of course, first few things I see here, you just got some instructions of how to actually unbox it. You got some more paperwork here. We got a CD, the user manual, drivers, all that good stuff. We'll put that to the side. And here's the power brick for the monster. That thing is huge. Put that off the side. All right. And then here we have the power cable itself. And we have the Type-C connector. And we also have a display port connector that comes with it. And one more cable. HDMI, so that's pretty nice of them. They put one of everything in there basically. And what is this little piece? Yeah, it looks like a cover for the back of the monitor or something once we get the stand on there. Alright, let's go ahead and get this styrofoam out of the way and see what's under there. See you, styrofoam. Oh, nice. Looks like I got it. Yeah, it looks like they have the stand already hooked up to it. So this should be a pretty simple process of getting out of here. Oh, that's beefy. That is beefy. Oh, it's got some heft to it. All right. Do not want to drop it. Do not want to drop it. Let's get this box out of the way. Holy smokes. Come on, even the box has got some weight to it. All right, anyhow, let's go ahead and turn this thing around like so. And voila. What? Oh, we got more, which is nice to see. I'm not complaining, more protection for the screen. All right, so let's go ahead and, give me 1 sec. I just want to make sure this is all fitting in the frame too, because that thing is big. No, not quite. Gonna tilt it back a hair. All right, now we're a little crooked. Come on, bear with me. Come on. All right, it looks in frame pretty good. So let's go ahead and take this tape off, if I can get it off. Okay, so looks like we got 2 layers of protection. Can never be too careful. That is for sure. So I will give these guys an A+ for their protection rating. Alright, there's the first piece going. Nice thick foam. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then we have one more piece of protection that we gotta get off. I'll take that one like so. Down here, get that. Alright, the rest is coming off pretty simple. Look at this thing. It is enormous. I mean, that's just huge. Let me grab my tape measure quick. We'll just to see how wide this thing is. We have, I know you're sure you're not quite going to be able to see that, but it's 32 3/4 inches. And we'll go ahead and measure it this way just for the heck of it. There we have 15 inches. So this is definitely a huge monitor. All right, what else? Let's take a look at the back here and see what, ooh, wait, got some pretty stuff to peel. Oh, look at that. I'm just gonna keep this stuff on the legs for now. Let's take a look at the back of this. Wow, this thing is something. What a beauty. I don't know if you can read it or not. I'll bring the camera up closer then. BenQ curved monitor. Now I know this should adjust up and down, and you have tilt and up and down. Now, let's take a look at the, let me put this back on and we'll take a look at the ports that you have available. I'm just going to lay this down for some protection here. Alright. Now, Mr. Camera, you come here, and we're going to, excuse my shakiness. Sorry for all the shakiness, but I am not a steady person, so I'm going to do my best to show you. Here's your buttons, your on-off switch, your other buttons to go through the menus, the different menus, and then under here we have all the different ports that you can connect your video up to. All right, like I said, I was going to show you that where it said BenQ curve monitor. All right, now I'll get a look at it this way here. If the camera would ever focus properly. A little BenQ logo down there. And then we have the feet here. Let me take one of these off, I guess, and see. I don't love that sound for some reason. Yeah, it feels like some kind of plastic chrome. I don't think it is metal, but I'm not sure. So, anyhow, there you got it. The behemoth of a BenQ monitor. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, please leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me that good old thumbs down. Subscribe. And please leave a comment letting me know what you think of this monitor.